Lau Nuer Burshar Chener Ane Shaba Kamal Chabut Kamal Chatiang Kamal Jekan with 3 group Gajok Gadwang Ugajak Chener Men bala de Toroko a piece of history for young Nuer Ko Bronget Jinga. You will see doc community written down as a topic. The Nasser incident. I have a reason for that. Call all now social media since yesterday Kadung Doc. That's Doc community where the Toriang Michel came from. They declared themselves for the government of Jiang Kume Jiang. Uchana Chana Nong Roll Medit Kadung Doc. And there is argument. That's Riang Michel Guardian. I got dogger. Nagana Kadung Riang Michel. Kid Doc here Romat Jiang. They betrayed their own son. Well, that argument could be right, but I'm here to reject that. Nuer Chaya Naka Dung Yang Machar, Kane Naga Woodjang, a mere Salvakir, or mere John Garang, Kane Naka Dung Yang Machar. Naka ye go Nuara, Naka ye Kachon Nuara, Naka Nuar Kachon Nuara. It has nothing to do with Yang Machar. And I have a good reason for that. 1984, when Woodjang John Garang decided to kill Samuel Gaitut, Riek Machar was in London. Riek Machar moved to London. Riek Machar can't mafi. When Gajak were killed, Gajak were genocide by Denka government, John Garang. Riek Machar was in London. Kan Gajak nak kedung Riek Machar. Cha Gajak nagala ke Nuer. They were killed because the Nuer. Che dung Riek Machar, che dung Dok. Gajak were killed in 1984, 85, 86, 87, 88, until 1989, Peace Agreement signed, Kamanyani 2, SPLA. So Gajak were not killed because they from Dok, they were killed because they were. Chaga naga Woodjang because they Nuar, Naka Nuar, Kachon Nuar. Some will get it. A wood log. Some will get it. A wood log. Dama che wood bring tail. They kill him too. A mere dung dog wale chigalo declare la jikuma. Let's look in Tariq. Zol can cattle. It's not the first time Zol can cattle Gajak. Ramishi Gajak Nuk, a William Yon Gadnoire. It's not the first time for that to happen. Ramishi Gajak Nuk. Zol can cattle Gajak. Someone who murder Gajak. Children, women. A Gadnoire, William Yon. Pauline Metif was not from Doc. Pauline Metif, she would Jacan or would log. But she Noir Nuck, Kishon Noir. Domunal can't book to not be Bentil, the Riak Machar, Tang, Jeremy years of Pauline Metif. Riak Machar, Tang, Jeremy years of Pauline Metif. Catalu Yalvata, Talk Jock, God Christian. chaganak kachon Nuer chaganak kachon Nuer kan ganak kachot fully native kan ganak kachot fully native chaganak kachon Nuer demunal kan gari chagal magai jag again William Nwan someone who was killing Gajak Nuer William Nwan someone that was used by Denka to kill Kuching that Riek Machar himself. Riek Machar himself waged a bad war again. Kuching. It's just to remind you that China kadung no kadung Riek Machar or dung for limited or dung nagajigo jinwar. That's it. Nasser incident kan ye nak kadung Riek Machar chay nak ko jinwar. If there is argument that naganwar wal kadung Riek Machar, then you need to think twice. You need to reset your mind that chay nak kadung Riek Machar. Riek Machar jare wale. Changa chay nak fi Nasser Riek Machar jage juba. Chay dung Riek Machar. It is a program been programmed by Denga community to eliminate your power or to eliminate you through other people. Denga ma bajile Nuer kade, lakin Denga into many ways. Barankok, they can lie to you, they can manipulate you, and then you will go fight with Nuer. Chayanok fi Korwako for many years by a Denka military that were deployed by Cholton without salary. Che dung Riek Machar. Che dung Riek Machar dung jani. It is all about Bagola that's doc. They declared themselves so they will not fight the war. Relax. Kor Bishop Kadok. Relax. Back down. Come in your own window. Till the Nuer man knock a figuba. Till the Nuer. Naga Nuer but go Nuer. It is just a matter of time. Let's look into Nasser County. Nasser County, they are mal can badaw Michela. I didn't go talk about the Nasser County. Che Lang County. Che Mayut County. Che Longisho County. Nasser County. I didn't go talk to her young. I didn't go to young door chop, the door pal. Then what happened? They went from Nasser and then they kill people in Olang. Chana wana kolang. Lana she dung Nasser, a dung Nuer deal. Whether you like it, you don't like it, it is up to you. But I'm go Nuer. Chicken Nasser pull, they went to Lang to kill people, to use air power, bombarding Lang for no reason. But there is reason for Denga, Kanwar. Dan chika jen Munulang chika wa Pangak, Chanawanak for Pangak. Neme de la dung Riek Machar. Riek Machar jaga juba. Riek Machar jakel ke jang fi juba. Mamboka na rienal min Nasser lo Lang le Pangak de la dung Riek Machar. No, che dung Riek Machar. Men go Nuer. When they done with Nasser and Olang and Pangak, Chaga Nuk, Jelnari Dor, Chadwell Chut. Then they came up with paper like this, white paper. Thus, among 16 counties of Nuer, there are 7 counties that are hostile to the government, enemy of the state. Enemy of the state, according to them. Akin dama Denga yo galif de ili lamaro Denga bisilamu le zoltani badil kam Ramadan. Denga is working through people. Denga is fighting Nuer through people. Kor Nuer ja de on jang denga brau go de chani jile Nuer never. But denga will fight Nuer through people. Jabu warga kadu fiyet but I lomoro. That's among 16 counties but Nuer there are 7 counties hostile to the government. I say we not read what the fuck it is. What are they talking about? Those who couldn't fight from the government, they speak out loud. Those of everybody in the government, Lano, it was a surprise. Michael Adebata Nasser, Dur, talk of Nasser, why? Job 7 county with Anwar. What 7 county have to do with Michael Nasser? But men go Nuer. Whether you like it, you don't like it, they will bring it to you. Then what happened? Shikala became between 3 counties. 3 counties. Nasser County, Ulang County, and Panga County. They fought a war while Low Nuer, they were just watching. Low Nuer, they were just watching. Bullshit, they were just watching. Gajak watching. Bentil watching. Everybody's watching. Then what happened? When they know that Gajok Opangak Ushilang Chinyeliat, they have no power anymore, they control them, then they went to Law. That's Lauzaru, Neural County is hostile. Akoba County is hostile. Oror County is hostile. Walga County is out by Lilyaman Matindaro. Dung Jani Dung Noir. So those of Law that pretended that they were in peace. That a roller coach, which you look at it, but roll coach, still a core, still a move. Jolly Ria Guy Cook. Between SPL IO, my SPL IG, Kadung Salam. When they went back from SPLIO control area, Chanawo Bogrenel. What the fuck it is? Jani roll coach Jani. Tele. Sile roll coach because Mago Noir, a Mago Noir. Che dung riak machar. Che dung Christian. Che dung Pangak. Che dung law. Che dung Jakan, a Mago Noir Kalo. Then Law said, you know what? Fuck it. We will fight in self-defense. Chaga Kukor, Law, they don't want to fight this war, but Chaga Kukor, whether you like it, they will bring it to you. Whether you like it or not, they will bring it to you. And now, what happened? Law is fighting in self-defense. So now, Oror, Nyerol, Akoba, Walgak, Nasser, Olang, and Pangak. Mayut galuman mind of Michaela, Chagabog Renal. Long show galuman mind of Michaela, Chagabog Renal. Ne me de la dung riang machar. No, che dung riang machar, a Mongol Noir. Che dung riang machar, che dung doc. This has nothing to do with one section of Nuer. It is just a matter of time. What we call in English, it is just a matter of time. It will come to doc. Just like it happened in Pigajak, Wussel Bibintiu, 1984. Wussel Bibintiu. They took military to Mayam County, that's Fiaz Banaro, Al Tawaro, La Bugulu Chunumbe, English. Way to control Mayam. So, by a look, in Nuer to social media, ka dung riang machar, ka dung dog, ka dung nasar, ka dung ane, palaya. You know, court talk of nasar, uja year re la ogata, che dung riang machar. Me dung riang machar jaga juba. Ngu de gad nak, de ga bogorianal, ka dung riang machar jaga juba. Riang machar magad juba. Leuman basib riang machar juba, woman jitter of nas, a drop Nuer, motanin da Nuer boctulude. They motanin my shab riang machar young white. Just like 1984, women they already killed Samuel Gaitut, but they went ahead on killing Nuer. Always, women be give Nuerawish and a shackle man. Woman jab William Nuer. Woman Jab, Riak Mishar himself. Riak Mishar the Jabu. Riak Mishar the now, God was sitting there, Jabu. Can't Jabu Riak Mishar. Jajaraman na. Dozul kan katal nas bibintiu. The Riak Mishar, the Mazoltan. Riak Mishar, God was sitting a lele. The Riak Mishar can katal nas supporting Danka. Supporting Danka. Januar took Dung Danka. But Riak Mishar, Yanewale. No, it's not about Nuer. It's not about Kuching. It's not about Gajak. It's about the entire Nuer. So Nuer up in social media. It is just a matter of time. Dog bigger years the young. Dog bigger years the young. Yom da low can guy the mind the business low years the young ta. Low years the young ta. Choose now very long at her. Lao did not declare a war on them. SPLIO and Lao did not declare a war on them. They maintained their peace and their coolness. What happened? They brought the war to them. They brought the war to them. It's not about particular section of Nuer. And Mago Nuer. You know? And always, they will have Nuer to kill Nuer. She made it. But in the end, Nuer will win. In the end, Nuer will win. Nuer will unite. In the end, Nuer will unite. After they kill Samuel Gaitu, they went on random killing people at Nuer. In 1989, Nuer unite and Nuer Amal Salam. Maukuma Denga Dare. Some people will say that Nuer will never have a unity. You are lying. I'm a living witness. Ana mabam Jamal Tawil. Ana mabam Jamal Bayet. Ana mabam Jabal Penadoro Scam. Penadoro Scam. Multiple guy unity for Nuer. The Munal can who rule and honor with Penadoro Scam. They will you all tongue. We all tongue them and win. We all tongue them and win. We all tongue Malau. Our governor, Penador, they will you all tongue. We all tongue you can. Just for those who are saying that Nuer will not unite, you are lying to yourself. Let's Tarik with Nuer by SPLA. Sooner or later, Nuer will unite. Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Nuer unite in 2013. But before 2013, take a J, Polino Matip, J. Riang Mishar, J. Gordon Kong, J. Munu. But in 2013, Nuer become one. It is not impossible. By a major warning, Kor Kam Nuar Karo Jen Ariak. Yarok with social media who declared themselves, who did not declare, let them go. They will come back. They will never be accepted by Denga. Never. Denga is just using them. Time will come when they will say, enough is enough, but don't let your man down and get back. Nay, the jail girl go kuma. And it's still a Nuarman knock young. It is just a matter of fucking time. So chara no ngang nam social media dog chiga gat nakana dung riang mishar jen la no riang mishar is not a problem. Riang mishar is a victim just like anywhere. Riang mishar a victim just like anywhere. Just like Samuel Gaitu was the victim, Abdalachol was the victim, Kongchol was the victim, White Kang was the victim, Benson Quine was the victim, Paulina Mitchell was the victim. You name them. It's not a pastime. This been done by SPL for some reason. SPL is scared of Nuer. For some reason. I will tell you about SPL the Robo Nuer, the Robo Zoltani. I will tell you about SPL if you build from the Robo Nuer. The best down SPL, which I use SPL, Dwayne Nuer. The Arab, the Robo Nuer. I will tell you about SPLA for Juba. I will tell you about SPLA for Juba. The Robo Nuer. Juba, the Robo Nuer. That's it. This is history. Lo, Ukuma about SPLA de Mabagaro. Nuer will live in survival mood always. Lana out of nowhere, SPLA will find a way to fight Nuer. Out of nowhere, SPLA will find a way to fight Nuer. I will tell you, but I SPLA if you build from the Robo Nuer, Samuel Gaitut. I will tell you, but I SPLA if you Juba the government, the Robo Nuer Filipino Talataya. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Che dung section, the dung Nuer Kelu. But let me tell you, Those who are today celebrating this unity with Nuer, Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Do you think Tabandenga is happy in Juba seeing this slaughtering of children? Do you think Tutkau is happy? Do you think Kunfoj is happy? Do you think Ngwen Minchil is happy? That's Nuer Boktulu, the Nuer God Mokuma Zaru. Le Boktulu Nuer God Mokuma. Chana Magor Noir. Denga Katal Sut and never fi Malakal. Denga Afadam. Denga Afadam. Katal Sut and never fi bought to Malakal. Sekajiri Yang Mishar. Kaji Kuma. Kaji Kong Chorale. Chaga Nagajang. A Magor Yang Mishar? No, a Magor Noir. Le Kataluman fi Bodet. Then that's what Okuma. Le Kataluman fi Bodet. Then that's what Okuma. And you think Nuer will God for Juba is heavy. It is just a matter of time. Everything has a time on it. Everything has the time on it. We can't time, Ben. Not banal long you to you going where, you going there, you going there. But you but time Ben keep it. Nuer will unite. Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond to this government. That killing Nuer will God for Gava, my Nuer will God for you. The entire Nuer community. Native Bogorian Alfu language Kuma. Native Bogorian Alfu language Olang is under Ukuma. Why should they use air power for Lang? Kangan the Yen Lang, SLIO, no. Native Bogopujo language Kuma. Olang under Ukuma. Nasser under Ukuma. Mayud under Ukuma. Langajok under Ukuma. Why should you use air power? Fimal Lede. But they're looking for Nuer. It doesn't matter. You are with the government. You are with Munu. By Ijek. Naga Nuer, the short Nuer. By a deal wagon, Nazagan, Nuzwan, God will sell me the other near Nuer. You are very young. You don't know Tarik, but I'm not Del Manuel. You don't know. Loitakan God Fitang 1, 1988, 87, 89. Before you two wake up, you will see the living condition but Nuer Pitao Court. And then you will tell me, if Nuer they are not like Gadamul contribution Kabire, Lano, it's a budget fee, Jogmir in a day, the other but SPLA. The other but SPLA with Jogmir, the SPLA. They are taking Nasser, Min Jogmir, Sula Kul God with Jogmir, Zakira Kul God with Jogmir. I'll capture Budget Bogot with Jogmir. Pierre is Nuer, and you will think these people, they will be respected. Like when you come to Itang, and you go to South Court, where there's a population that Nuer, and you will be surprised. While William Nyon is there, while Riek Machar is there, everybody is there, Tabandenga is there, they are well with Itang Zaro. Just imagine. Tabandenga is there, they are well with Itang, while his family condition, without court. Anona kan gadi Malta musajidin pitao kode yal sukarin jamar Malta jamar ukidiji temje fi Malta Nuer ale tawalga Nuer baji fi idara fi tang idara talajin mala bebiu durra bebiu bara enade ukidade durra de shwalda durra de talada birol one bir and a half Nuer gadi lega tet that's Nuer gadi lega tet fi gidamna zede. Mago Nuer. So let's look in unity with Nuer. Look at uyual tang fi Fenido. Can we this unity? Mafi Nuer can guard white was under uyual tang. Dan uyual tang shalo bara jabu John Jok jabu. The same way Nuer fi under unity. Look at the leadership of John Jok. Look at the uyual tang nas guard mal white. Look at the John Jok nas guard mal white. Dan jabu tut gar chai na lisa gadu mal white uyual dang min law John York min ga jok tut gar chai min ga jak wenu ma be the unity Nuer gadu mal white so Nuer bamat Nuer lazim will unite one day. Don't waste your time be kalama el bogulu dale agenta Nuer ka SPLA de ma chi jo long na ju tutu de ma but soon ba dung jana mo ja pek now no Denga is not just killing Nuer ma chi mariak mishar they're killing people wasn't the government. They're targeting people that was the government. I shall shoot Denga Belit Kef. Denga Belit, Akar Gebila Belit. The guy, the Boktul Nuer guy Mokuma, and you think Nuer will go quiet. And you think Nuer will go quiet. It's a guy that of Nuer Batayara, the guard Vigaba, all the guy that of Nuer Zaro, it is a guy that of Nuer guard for Kuma. Batayara. Nuer Magadibu. They know what they're doing. Now the guy they know what they're doing. They are the same people unite in 1991 and they respond Kai Nuer. Nuer Alkan Samaru Fitang. They were used by John Garang. Again Nuer. Again Gajak Dade. Again Bentiu. Again Gajok. Gala Nyanyitu. But someone Nuer could die Nyanyitu. Salam Lazim Jibu Nuer by force. Lazim Jibu Nuer PSPL by force. What happened in 1991? Nuer Kulu. Riang Meshar. Munu, they unite under one umbrella and they respond to Denga. Denga got the core lele. Denga got the core lele. But not that with Junubu Sudan. For 2000, 2002. Salam Shamil, 2005. 2006, Nuer got Amalo Rabat. Nyagat, unconfirmed. Nyagat, unconfirmed. What is it? Got the Chitimuja, the Folina Metif. That's woman bleeding. Woman Mabarim Talim, woman mind why Nuer Bus could not be the they kept quiet. They kept quiet. That is the woman 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. The next PLA, Nuer guys, you know. And now we have to achieve our goal. We have to achieve our goal. You know, Sudan. We have to act like Danga and Egypt, you know, Sudan. Nana Danga Bakarabo, Danga the coward, Danga Barjana Arab. Ila Nuer Jabara, as we ever win, as we ever pass. Ya comrade, Kaleta give mana. Bernard Gum for election day. Ya comrade, Kaleta give mana. As we ever win, as we ever pass. Danga Galia, as we ever Nuer because Samarokalas. Then do like that. Then Danga continue with your garbage for Juba. 2011, 2012. Then 2013, they went on killing Nuer randomly for Juba. What happened for Alenil? Nuer respond Kai one. Nuer the Tariq with Nuer Kulu respond Kai one. Wafadang de Kori, Bur Kori, Mavizol Ma Kori. Nuer Kori for Juba, Udenga Kori for Alenil. Then Nuer respond Kai one. I don't know the kind of bang with social media in Nuer Jadak, Nuer Dog, Nuer Shet de Wen. The Tariq with Nuer. My Nuer Baga, the Fred Muchagal. Kalam Salam, they always Buxum Nuer. Finas Bagul Yakwana, why they doing us like this? Let's do this. Yellow Banal Bagul Gal, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. But don't you know what you pick, but time is not yet. Time is not yet. Time is not yet. Kadung time is not yet that the Nuer Buxum. Nuer be shitted. Dole Mishi Barao, Dole Mishi Madanga, Yella Danga Bukun Muksu, like today they're collabing. They're collabing out like Nuer and now they shitted Nuer. Then what happened in 2013 when Nuer United they respond for Alenil? Alenil waga kulu. Alenil waga kulu ila salbakiram you praise salam. Tangot. Raja na Raja salbakire tangot. Yam da lori yang mishargala na mader tangot. Yang mishargal mamsuk floide. Salbakira inta kalas. Lakin gedung tangot, dung salam. Ajal lariak Nuar salam. Don't blame yourself. Nuar bamat. It is just a matter of fucking time, what we call in New York here. But the kind of social media, dog shit again, wagani, dog wagani, baga garjang. No. Dog wagani. Turka on da kid, Turka o meshi cattle galwak. Arag was there. Turka ja torodu de cliff. Man when mintil, torodu de cliff. That your Malay when mintil mind the shovel. After killing people. What about the Siben boy? What about the Siben boy? Killing of Nuer defending Danga from. What happened to him? As good bus. It is just a matter of time. Nuer will respond Kai one family. Lana said, Naganu Nuer Kalu. Nuer Majel Kuma Nagajet. After Dangan they terrorizing Nuer. Everybody terrorizing Nuer. Nuer God Mokuma or Nuer God Bara. Chaya nak dung riang mai char chaya nak dung dog chaya nak dung jage dung bull Dunga jok, dunga jak, dung lok, nak Nuer ko Nuer. That's it. Nuer. For some reason, Denga is very jealous. SPLA is very jealous of Nuer. But there is no SPLA without Nuer. SPLA de foundation but SPLA de Nuer. Foundation but SPLA de Nuer. Foundation but Anyanitu de Nuer. Mafia aja ba malu fi junu budu Nuer. Ajat kulu fi finger friend Nuer. Salam al gade kalamo alele. Al gade tarado Nuer. Gade ajade amalu dade. Shalo ajat ariyang mishar shalo bara. Shalo zirrifa bara. Ola njabo galo ma bijibude wale. Malakal shalo bara fiye tariyang mishara sade. Wesen Equatorial shalo bara fiye tariyang mishar. Western Bargazal shalo bara fiye tariyang mishar. Riyang mishar shalo besijin. Dan African Union jadan meshi Addis Ababa. African Union gal junuka kaine bang. Riyang mishar ba de loin. Riyang mishar ma fi salam tani fi Africa. Bata junubin. Salam de yo salam al few senator riyang mishar. So riyang mishar lazim fugu budun condition budun ayaja. O malakal barjaw le riyang mishar. Wala eta malakal. O wala eta Western Bargazal barjaw le riyang mishar. O Western Equatorial barjaw le riyang mishar. Unyi jaintain ba mullo zirrifa. Ajata riyang mishar barjaw. Uloma malu African Union will act. Regime change supported by America, supported by UN. I don't know bang. The kalam fara saga the guy kalam say me gal Nuer jedak. Nuer wen UN wagi makum. Alele de yoda mudir sa UN filaw. Mudir sa UN jab filaw and he witnessed killing of Nuer, targeting of Nuer by Denka militia, al Banadu South Sudan people defend us. Lana UN gal ma fi jej bida junub. Jej bida junub de SPLIO da gwelek the Denka Defense Force for cantonment trained by Sudan. Al Karaju Basade, they just Brajunu. Al Gad for Juba, the militia Tadenga. The militia Tadenga. Al Banado, South Sudan people defend force, the militia Tadenga for the UN. Our rock with the UN, the militia. Our rock with America, the militia. Just Brajunu Sudan. They just El Bogolushunu. Unified force, they just Brajunu Sudan. Then now, Monga kind of bang. South Sudan people defend us. Denga defend us. Mafia, it is just a matter of time. The Aluriang Mishara must be released with no condition. Salam Barjaude, Salam Bar 2018 must be implemented accordingly. Any violation, that regime change. Regime change, supported by African Union, supported by UN, supported by America. Alright. Yeah, I'm not social media.